Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all doing great. So here's today's report. So today I spent my time profiling the newly proposed exchange, which is more capital efficient. And by profiling, I mean giving the math behind the new model. And tomorrow I'll measure or rather evaluate the new model compared to the previous concentrated liquidity model and quantitatively analyze how much is the new model better than the previous model. So that being said, if you are watching this video for the second time, then smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Lord. No. If you're watching me for the second time, then click the subscribe button because it helps to spread the message. And the message is that all the elites of the society, that includes thinkers, researchers, developers, entrepreneurs, shall come together in this community and participate in the next tech revolution in the blockchain arena. So let's all gather and move together and make the big change. So stay strong, stay motivated. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.